Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm with an update. Okay, so let's get started with the change in task code. So the first change asked for the temperature is not necessary, it's done. And the second change is the button addition, for which someone can send the email. Um, so once the email is sent, it will get clear. So once someone is trying to send the email, they can simply select it and within 5 minutes, because I have kept a cycle of 5 minutes. So yeah, okay, I'll show you. So it will start sending the email within 5 minutes. But if the email has been sent already for that day, it's going to ask you, okay, the email has already been sent for that this day. Do you want to continue? If you will press no, it will terminate the operation. If you will press the yes, it will continue and it will send the email. Okay, having said that, let me show you the dashboard added. And yeah, there is another thing about the email. So you have to trigger this activate automation. Yeah, activate the mailing automation. You need to run this one so that the email can be sent through your email, not the lady email or any other email. The email will be sent through otherwise this email will be sent to the manager through your account. So you have to activate it one time. And what will happen once someone will try to send the email, it will wait for 5 minutes and then it will take your email address and send the email. Okay, now let's move to the dashboard. So the dashboard looks like this. Let me reduce the size a bit. Uh, okay, so this is just to show that what is the last date send the report to, and these are the two controls. Let me delete these. So if you will delete these, this is going to show you the all the data and what is it. So let me select the first. I want to see the data depending on the leftmost side. And here you can see the chart. So this chart is showing that the maximum tickets are for the pond number GA9, which are 4, and the maximum completed are GA9. Maximum incomplete is GV6, which is 1, and the maximum pending tickets for pond GA9. So here you can see this is turning red. So 1 to 2 will be light red, 2 to 4 will be a bit higher red, and then about above 5 it will become red, high red. So this will alert you, okay, there are so many works pending for this particular task. And this will automatically update, you have nothing to do with it. Similarly for the issues, so this is the count of issues. So pump stop has 21 count, whatever the entries in our current database is. These are it. So there are actually 31 entries, and it's showing that out of 31, there are 21 having the pump stop issue, 14 are with the others. So this is basically others of the pump stop. So this is the total of others of the pump stop. Similarly, for the others of the feeder, other of the panel, AR, and these will be counted accordingly. So here you can see the pump stop, feeder battery. These are the actual count. These are the others count. If there is any other issue other than the feeder battery dies. Similarly, for the feeder block and panel sidewall is off. 8 issues and 10 others for that panel issue. So this is the total count, and these are the charts which are a bit difficult to read. So what I've done, I have given the graphical uh, presentation of the same data. So here you can see a complete thing. So there are 18 pending tickets, one incomplete. So there are actually 19 in total, and here you can see the complete versus remaining. So this is basically showing that 3 are complete and 19 are remaining. And similarly here you can see 3. So we can move these as well. So it's easy to read. 18 plus 1 is pending, and this is it. That's it. This is what we need. Now what this one is showing? So this is showing the distribution of the tickets based on the ponds. So GA9 has 4 total tickets. Um, yeah, the tickets raised, and there are 7 issued, 7 pending. 2 are complete. Yeah, okay. So I think there is another one. Let me see it first, and then get back. All right, so the number was off, so it should start from 3 and it was starting from 36. Okay, so now GA9 has 9 entries, and here you can see total 9 entries, 7 are pending and 2 are complete. So this is complete. Similarly, for this one, there are three, so two are pending and one is incomplete. Rest of these are there also. So, for example, if you don't want to see it with pending, you want to see it by the completed. So here you can see it is sorted it. So now two and one. So basically, you have some completed in the green color. So completed has a green color. So you can see the highest number on the left and then the lowest number on the right side. Now let me sort it by incomplete and let's see. So now you can see the incomplete color is yellow and there is only one which is yellow and then rest of these are zero. Let me sort it by completed and sorry, yes, we have already checked it pending. So what will happen? I think we can sort it by count of the tickets as well. So the count of the tickets is now you can see 9, 3, 1, 1, 1 and rest of these are all 1 and the pending is similar to that. So the number of tickets are basically in relation with the pending. So this is how you can sort the thing. And for this one, I'm using this cell. So either you can use the directly because what it is doing, it is using the pound number which is having the maximum pending tickets, and here it is they are showing the tickets. So the first ticket was raised on 6/28/28/6. The second was again raised for on the same day, and then the next one is on 6/7 and 7/7 and 7/7, and there are three. And these are the completion status: completed, completed, pending, pending, pending. So this is the trend. You can see how many days at what day the ticket was raised, and the last 7 are open and only 2 are closed. So this is taking the always use this one. But if you want to use see any other, we can always select G8. So there is only one ticket for that, I guess. Six. There are 3 tickets and one is incomplete. The rest of the 2 are pending. But I'll be prefer to use this one so that we can always see the trend of the pond ID which is having the maximum tickets. So we can see what is the distribution of this. Now the next chart is showing the everything in a bar and a line diagram. So the blue line is the total. So you can see the GN9 has the maximum tickets and the maximum pending. And color scheme is all same for all of these. So green is completed, yellow is incomplete, pending is red, and blue is total count. So this is just a summary. This is exactly the same, but a different. Like these are separate columns, separate bars. You can call, or you can call this one as a state. So these are almost the same thing, just the look is different. Okay, so now this is the summary of the all the issues. So pump stop issues has 21, and the same pump issues other than those are red, which are 14. Filter cleaned are 13, and other issues related to filter are 17. So this is the distribution of this. And you will always see the highest number, like the total number is 35, 30, 25, 24. So this will be sorted always the descending so that you can see the highest rated or highest reported issue at the top. And this is the distribution of the all the number of these. So you can see the complete are green, yellow and red are combined, and these are a lot of those. And you can call it okay. So almost 90-80% are remaining. I'll add the percentage to it as well. This is also a trend, a different diagram like this. So these are almost similar. So this is a bar diagram instead of pie chart. I think the pie chart is giving more sense than the bar diagram. So this is showing that there are 22 total tickets. Yep. Okay. So and there are 18 issues pending, 3 completed, and 1 is incomplete. So all in combined 18 plus 4 is 22. So this is what it is showing. Okay, and this is I have already discussed. So this is a horizontal way of showing the charts. I presented another one which is at the bottom. So this is a way of showing the vertical thing. So this chart is basically here, and I have combined these two charts in a vertical way. So we can use this format as well. So this is giving you the issues summary. This is giving you the ticket summary, ticket distribution, and this is giving you the total. So 18 pending, 1 incomplete, 3 and 3 complete, which is 19. and 3 are complete. And this is the distribution. And here you can see 13.6% are complete, incomplete 4.5%, and 81, almost 81.882% are incomplete to be done. So basically 82 plus 4 is almost 86% is remaining. If you can move on the right side, this is all we have already discussed. So these two bars. So once the pending is closing, the green bar should raise and it should equalize the blue bar, and this one should reduce, and this one should also. So the left two should be down and the right two should be on the higher side. Similarly, I think this is a better way to see. Maybe whatever you like, we can keep one and we can delete the rest of these. So this chart is also again, this is the horizontal summary of this. We cannot plot this vertically. So we can always delete this chart and this as well if you don't need, and that is it. This the simplest way to just share it, and yeah, horizontal way, I think it was good. So that is it from my side. Please, if you have any further any ideas or any changes in mind, you can please let me know. And please do let me know which one you want to keep. You can call this one second, and you can call this one first. So please let me know so that I can delete one and we can keep one. And looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.